Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best EV chargers on Amazon. Every electric vehicle owner either has a charging station or a fast charger. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. ChargePoint Home Flex Electric Vehicle Charger. The ChargePoint Home Flex Electric Vehicle Charger is a premium-level EV device. It's a high-tech 240-volt gadget that is rated to charge up to 9 times quicker than a standard everyday wall outlet. It is built to function with the Chevrolet Volt and Bolt EV, Hyundai Kona and Ioniq, Kia Niro, Nissan Leaf, Tesla models, Toyota Prius Prime, BMW i3, Honda Clarity, Chrysler Pacifica, Jaguar I-Pace, and more electric cars. The charger is built with advanced features that make it much more user-friendly and engaging. It can be connected to Wi-Fi, and with the included app, you can see just how far along the charge is while you're away from your vehicle. It is even compatible with Alexa. The device also comes with a 23-foot-long cable for extra reach. The ChargePoint Home Flex EV charger is quite expensive. You will also be required to pair it with the app for it to begin charging. This can be frustrating if you don't have access to Wi-Fi. The app can also be rather difficult to understand and follow at first. Number 2. Mustard Level 2 Portable EV Charger. The Mustard Level 2 Portable EV Charger is a fast-charging device capable of topping off any electric car quickly. It's built with sensitive and high-speed computer chips that increase just how much power is transferred from the device to your Tesla or BMW model. It's been boosted so much that it can charge around 2.5 times faster than other models. One of its best overall aspects is its built-in charging cable. The flexible cord is capable of reaching up to 25 feet. All you need to properly run the device is a 220-volt or 240-volt NEMA 14 to 50 outlet. The EV charger is durable, reliable, and designed in such a way that it's lightning-proof. It also prevents overcharging and overheating. The first thing you may notice about the EV charger is its price. Electricity may be free or super cheap when compared to gasoline, but the charger is quite expensive. It also may not be compatible with all types of electric cars. Number 3. Blink Charging Home Level 2 Electric Vehicle (EV) Charger. The Blink Charging Home Level 2 Electric Vehicle (EV) Charger is compatible with all EVs, including the Nissan Leaf, Chevy Bolt and Volt, Toyota Prius, Ford Fusion, VW e-Golf, and Tesla models. This AC charge station features a set of push buttons, is easy to use, and features a delay mode of 2 to 8 hours, which allows you to charge your vehicle exactly when you want. It has an LED display that shows the charging status and an 18-foot cable, so you can charge your vehicle in the driveway. Number 4. Megier Level 1 EV Charger. When it comes to excellent value in an EV charger that is both durable and reliable, we recommend the Megier Level 1 EV Charger. This is a 16-amp charger with a NEMA 5 to 15 plug. No assembly is required, just plug it into your NEMA 5 to 15 or 5 to 20 receptacle and get quickly charged up. As a bonus, this charger is also compatible with all major EV makes and even multiple power sources, including regular wall outlets, dryers, and RV outlets with a special adapter. This handy and reliable charger is a Level 2 charger, which allows most compatible vehicles to charge at a rate of up to 11 miles per hour, up to 3 times faster than your vehicle's factory charger. This gets you out on the road faster. It includes several key safety features, such as protection from leakage, lightning, overvoltage, overheating, and overcurrent, and it's also waterproof and flame-resistant. Number 5. Siemens VersiCharge EV Charger. When it comes to the best overall versatility, reliability, and cost, you can't beat the Siemens VersiCharge. This is one of the quicker chargers currently on the market. Being a Level 2 charger that functions on 240 volts, it's up to 4 times faster than Level 1 120-volt chargers. This charger is also durable and can easily withstand temperatures ranging from -30 up to 50 degrees Celsius. This charger is universally compatible with all J1772 cars and is even able to work with Tesla vehicles and charging adapters. Its easy setup includes all necessary mounting hardware and a 14-foot charging cable. Professional installation is recommended, however. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.